Okay, so right now we're working on a 2018 Chrysler 300. About to change the oil adapter, the filter housing. So far, check out the intake. Couple of clips, nothing too crazy. Just almost forgot to chime in with y'all. Hit y'all back in a minute. Again, doing a replacement. Oil filter housing, 2018 Chrysler 300. Tell you, boy, fuck around on the right day, man. Messing with these cars be annoying as fuck. Alright, so just to update. Got the bad boy open right now. Trying to figure, one, how I'ma hold this sucker up so I can get this damn adapter out and start working on it. But two, I didn't even realize that I needed a special bit to take them damn screws out. I think it's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me go look. Yeah, so like I was saying, got the unit out. A little messy. Trying to stop some of this oil. Do my final disconnections. Got holes back here to swap out. Right there. Everything's in the box. Yeah. Okay, so update. Got the new unit in. Everything's connected. Installed already. Placed. Looking good. Tubing connected. Everything's sturdy. Sturdy. Time to wrap it back up like I was never even here. Yeah, boy. Fuck niggas talking about I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck, I don't know what I'm doing. But in the midst of everything, man, I'm so anxious to get the fuck out the goddamn heat. I forgot to wrap up the video on the damn Chrysler, y'all. I'll give y'all the final update. Well, since I left the customer house already, let you know everything ran smooth. Complete success as always.